Hello friends, today I am going to show you XP Pen tablet. Because of pandemic situation, the teaching learning process has taken a new form. So it has become online and it is need of teachers nowadays to find out new ways to enhance their teaching learning online. So being a mathematics teacher, I was finding it very difficult to make PPTs and to explain my students stepwise because ultimately it becomes just reading the PPT and the steps which are needed to be solved by a teacher while explaining the concept that was becoming very difficult. So I was in search of a very good device which will help me to write down as I write on board, blackboard or whiteboard. So I came across a device called as Pen tablet, and then I searched a lot and I found this one very nice, XP Pen tablet. Many of my friends also have used it, so according to their experience this was a better one. So this is the model Deco 01 V2 XP pen. Now I will show you the accessories, other accessories that come along with it. I have purchased it online. So this is the XP Pen tablet. You can see, and there is a plastic cover sticked on that. You can remove that cover, otherwise you can keep it as it is for not having scratches on it. Then this is the pen that comes with it. It is called as stylus. Then this is the cord. This is the cord you have to attach with your laptop. It works like a pen drive. It's very easy to connect. Then this is the glove. You can I think this is for wearing while handling the stylus. Yeah, so this you can use, but this is optional. Then this is the packet of extra nibs that come with this packet, and this is the information booklet, quick guide of and this is the stand to keep your pen. So these many accessories they provide with this pen tablet. Now let us see how to install this. Using this pen tablet is very easy, and there are various softwares available which you can download and you can write very nicely using those softwares. And first day it will become little bit different, but as you practice it becomes very easy. Believe me, for a science teacher like me, for mathematics teachers, science teachers, wherever you have to write so many things, accounts teacher, this pen tablet is a fantastic device. So I will definitely recommend this. And let us see now how to install this and how to install other softwares also. So friends, now I will show you how to write in the OpenBoard software using your pen tab. So I have opened this OpenBoard software. So it opens a whiteboard for us. You can see a small circle moving, and here I am writing on this pen tab now. Okay, from here I can start writing from the leftmost corner, the northwest corner you can say, and that will be, and you can see my cursor moving on the board also. So accordingly I will start writing. So let us first write some mathematical equation. So here is the equation I can write: x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So I can show my students how to solve it, how to simplify it. X square minus 3x, I can erase it also. Okay, so this eraser is available in the OpenBoard software. I am using right now the eraser of OpenBoard, but you can use eraser of PenTab also. So here I am. So again I can keep my cursor there. So this is x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. So this is how I can teach my students that the summation, we have to find out two factors such that their summation is minus 5 and their product is plus 6. So minus 3 and minus 2. So I can here easily show them that minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5 and minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to plus 6. So it is exactly similar to the way I teach in the classroom. I write on blackboard or whiteboard. So I can take x here, x common here, x into x minus 3 minus 2 I can take common, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, and that gives me x is equal to 2 and 3. So this is how it becomes very easy for a science teacher, for a maths teacher, for an accounts teacher to write down, and you need not to every time see on the pen tab. You can just see on the board on the screen of the laptop, and you can just move your cursor through that. You can now I am clicking next page. So here I can do whatever I want. I can construct some tables also. Suppose I have to construct a table like this. So I can very easily construct the table. I can draw the diagrams. I can write the symbols, the mathematical symbols, which I do not need to take from Word or Excel. Yeah, and one more thing, you can always write in Word also using this pen tab. So this is how it works. Now you can open the Word file and you can start writing in Word also. So here I am opening the Word. So I have opened a blank document, and now I can start writing. So you can see the eraser also, it goes to draw when you start writing using the pen. And you have various tools available here. The colors are available, pencil is there, then there is highlighter. Okay, so you can choose one of the pens, one of the colors, and here I am just writing what I want. So I am writing few lines of the pledge. So very efficiently you can write, and you can use any platform for that. You can save also all the features of words you can use here, and you can efficiently use it. I will show you now how to use this for writing in Excel. So now I will open one Excel file. So blank, so suppose you want to show some mathematical or statistical formulae to your students, you can always do that. So here y I am taking as x square, so x0. So you need not to type all these things, you can just go on writing this in Excel. So you can use basically any platform for writing. So this is very smooth also. You will feel it when you will use it. Then this is 5, then 7, and then you can use all the features of Excel also here side by side, and you can write. So some part you can type and some part you can explain to your students the steps which they need to understand for complete understanding of the subject, for complete understanding of the concept. They need the solving part from teachers. So you can use this pen tab very effectively. So friends, in my next video I will talk more about OpenBoard software and Bamboo paper software also. Now if you want to purchase this device, I have put the link to purchase it in the description of this video, so you can just click on the link and you can purchase. So also if you like this video and if you find it very useful, please subscribe my channel Triumph Maths. I wish you all a very happy teaching. Thank you all.